So broadly speaking, machine learning tends to fall between these two separate types of learning. So we have supervised learning, where you're giving the machine learning algorithm labeled data, and it learns to associate the input features with the corresponding output labels. All right, so examples of this boil down to regression or classifier algorithms. And we'll go a little bit into detail on those in a moment. But the idea is we're giving the algorithm labeled data, right? So we give it some input with the correct answer, and it learns how to go from the input to the output, right? In unsupervised learning, we give the algorithm unlabeled data. So you can just give it anything without a specific right answer, right? There's no thing that you're giving it that you are expecting it to give you back based on the input data, right? You're just giving it unlabeled data. And basically the machine learning algorithm will try to learn something from that data, right? So ways that we can use this are in clustering and dimension reduction. And we'll go into a little bit more detail about that later. But again, so here the big distinction is when we are using supervised learning, we are telling the algorithm what we want, right, out of its process, right, what we want as an output, versus in unsupervised learning, we're pretty much letting it work on its own and give us something for us, basically, for the algorithm to discover something in the data that